Hi friends, this video shows how to remove protective material and fix error E09. First we need to open this cover. It's very simple. Just pull top part, just pull. It will automatically lock. If you want to close, again just pull, then just release. Okay, so let me open this cover. So here inside you can see protective material. See, so this one we need to remove. So this we have to remove, otherwise we get error E09 when we try to start. Okay, just remove it, then close, then we can turn on and check. So that way we can fix error E09. So please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.